Okay, hello everyone. Let's continue from the last lesson. Exactly from the function add, we defined a function called add, takes two arguments, a and b. Here, our function add takes two arguments, 5 and 8. And the function will return the result of adding a plus b. And we saw that the result of adding a and b, 5 and 8, is 13. Okay? We have something else we can do with our function. We can use docstring. Docstring is a triple quoted string. Okay? Like this. To describe how our function works. This could be very helpful when you don't know how a function works. We can use the function called help, a built-in function called help. This function takes the name of the function you want to know how this function works. Like, for example, our function add. I want to know how my function add works, or I want to know a description of this function. Let's save our code and run our code again. Look here. Our computer reads your program line by line and execute line by line. At first, your computer will start to read. Here we have a comment line, so the computer will leave any comment, okay? And here, till it finds that you defined a function called add, okay? So the computer will read your function and know what to do with this function if you call it. Then you ask for help about your function add. Then you assigned the result of adding 5 and 8 to a variable r. Then you ask to print the value of your variable r. So when we run our program, first the computer finds that you ask for help about your function add. So we see here that add a comma b, the name of our function as we defined it. Then this function takes two numbers, a and b, and returns a plus b, the same as my docstring here. So you can use the docstring to describe your function, and if you want to know the description of this function, you use the function help to ask for the description of this function. Generally, this will be very helpful in the future. When you have a big program and you have many functions, maybe you want to know the description of a function, how it works. The help function will be very useful for you. Okay? Another thing, what if we put this definition here? What do you think it's going to happen? Let's try to run our program. Oh. We have a problem here. We have an error. The computer said that name add is not defined, and my program is crashed. Why? We said before that the computer reads your program line by line. So the computer first see that you have comments, so it's not a problem. The computer will not execute comments. Okay, then the function help of add. The computer will ask, where is add? I don't know what is add, because it's not defined before asking for help about add. So you have to define your functions before using it. Okay? So let's move it from here to the top. Run your program again. Okay, so the description of my function is printed, and the 13 is printed. Now my program is working very well. Okay, we are done for now. We will continue with some more examples about functions in the next lesson. So see you next lesson, and bye.